and I upload pretty much every single day, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I do mostly affordable synthetic wig related content here, so if that is what you're looking for, you have found it. Okay, we're doing an update today on some Bobbi Boss wigs and one from Bohemian. So let's start with this girl here. This is Miss Chyna, and I have her in the color TT4/Choco or Cocoa. And there's a full review up on my channel of this girl. So what I'm thinking about her, Chyna is definitely a silkier textured wig. She's comfortable. I really like the length, and I like this sort of like bumped in situation. I never like hair in my face. That's just me personally. I think that the color is absolutely stunning. She is wanting to tangle a little bit towards the ends, which isn't surprising for the texture. Actually, I'm surprised she's not wanting to tangle a little bit more for the texture. She does also want to have a little bit of a calyx, so you're going to want to put a little heat right there just to keep that at bay. But other than that, I think this is a great wig. Definitely a silkier textured. So if you are looking for a wig that is, you know, pretty much less textured, this would be a good option. She's a pretty cut, nice length, and so yeah, that's what I think about her. She's going to want to tangle a little bit because of the texture, but if the texture is what you're after, this may be a good option for you. And yeah, that's what I have to say about Chyna. Okay, next up, we have a newer wig by Bobbi Boss, and this is part of their Truly Me line. And this is Miss Wynter. I have her in the color TT2/Ash Blonde. And I do really like this wig. It's a light, yucky texture. This is all the hair to the front, so the density is pretty good. She is going to want to tangle a little bit. It does come out, but you do need to definitely keep on her. She's very pretty. I just particularly don't like really deep parts, but the ashy color is perfect. I'm a sucker for an ash blonde. They did this ash blonde very well, so if the deep parting thing is something that either doesn't bother you or that you like, this would be a good option. You are however going to really want to keep on top of her for the tangling, so that is something to keep in mind. But other than that, she's very pretty. I love the length, I love the texture. It's just the tangling and, you know, this sort of deep parting. But those are outside of the tangling. The other stuff is preference. So that's what I have to tell you about Wynter. Okay, and last up we have the wig by Bohemian Wig, and this is Miss Linda. Okay, I have her in the color TT1B/8004. Wig review up on her. Pros and cons. I love the length of this wig. I love the curl pattern. She's a full wig. I really like that. It's a light yucky texture, so I really like that as well. It's just the curls on the bottom, like this chick does want to tangle quite a bit. This is something that you're gonna have to keep on and keep sort of, you know, taking a round brush to these curls. So I would wear this wig knowing that you're gonna have to brush it out a lot. Definitely brush it out and keep it on a wig head in the evening, because she wants to tangle. But other than that, I really love the texture. I love this coloring. She can sort of get like much fuller if you would like. You could easily cut her to like sort of that length, which would be so cute. So she is versatile, but these bottom pieces are definitely going to tangle. They're tanglers and they want to tangle. Okay, so you can even see just me doing that. She's getting a little bit of a tangle right now. So that is the one con on that. Tangling per se isn't necessarily a deal breaker for me, just because I don't wear my wigs consistently, but you know, it is something that's a deal breaker for other people, so I want to let you know what you would be getting into. Not that she wouldn't be worth it, but just know that going in. So those are the updates that I have for you today. If there's any other wig that I've reviewed that you do not see an update for, you can put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.